Hey everyone, it's Deanna coming to you from Bangles and Bags, and today I'm going to reveal what was in our March 2018 Monogram Club box. So let's get revealing. So the list of all the items in the box, you'll see that with it, and it's valued at $95.97. And the first item to reveal is this 2-inch mono USB charger decal, which is really neat. So for those of you, I know you guys all have chargers for your cell phones. A great idea for this one, you can actually just wrap it right around your cell phone charger. This will help prevent those who tend to take your chargers, borrow your chargers. So that's just a thing of the past. You've got your monogram personal charger. So how cool is that? And this is valued at $10. So that you get with this special box. And then also the next decal you have is the 4-inch cross decal. It's Easter time, you guys, so the cross means a lot to me. It's 4 inches, $10. You can apply it to anything. You can apply it to your coffee cup, your notebook, your laptop. It's a beautiful color. I love, that's one of my favorite colors, is that teal. So there that is. And then also, you get this adorable iron-on. And I wanted to show you because it's hard to pick up on the camera, so I got this pink shirt to kind of give you an idea of how it looks. It's got the little bow on there so you can see it better with that up against the pink cloth. This one is valued at $10. All right, so you get that with it. I love the glitter in that one. And then also, everyone loves pictures for memories. Pictures mean a lot. So this is, you also get this adorable picture frame, and it's valued at $17.99. You can put it on your desk, on your dresser, and it comes with your personalization monogram on there. It's got little hearts and the little chevron type print, the beautiful color lime green and blue. I love that one too. So you get that, and that's valued at $17.99. And wait, you guys, till you see this one. This item is awesome. You get an 18-inch personalized, and make sure I turn it right, pillowcase. And this is valued at $22.99. I love the colors in this, the hot pink and the teal. And let me show you what it looks like stuffed. So you'll have to get the insert for it. But does this not look amazing? You can add it as a special sass to your bed, to your outdoor furniture, on your sofa. It's really springy, so the best way to add decor to any room is to change out your pillow. So this was what we went with for the March box, and I love it. And for those of you that got the t-shirt of the month, it is valued at $24.99, and I'm wearing it. It's got the cute little pocket on it and the little bunny peeking out of the pocket. The bunny is actually like a little felt material, and then the initial is like the glitter, the little purple glitter. I loved it. It's so cute. So you've got to have one, you guys. If you liked what you've seen today and you want to subscribe to the Monogram Club box, just go to banglesandbags/themonogramclub. Again, I can't wait to show you guys what's in the next month's box. You're going to love it. Stay tuned. I hope you guys have a great day and happy Easter. Thank you.